got the morning of December 26th. We're just outside of Wheatland on Old 50, going 15 miles an hour, stuck behind slow traffic. Looks like there's been a plow truck down this once. You know, southern Indiana is just completely unprepared for snow of this magnitude. So here we're on US 50. Looks like there's been a plow truck down at once, and that's it. You got stuff like this where it's drifting. You get up to a county road, you got to slow it down, you'll get airborne off that drift. It's pretty gnarly out here. I think we're all getting slowed down by another Jeep, so. But yeah, just give you guys a little video here. It's pretty gnarly down here. You can't see out that window from the snow hitting it, but yeah, morning commute, hurrah.